Today in the Daily Dose, the Weimar Republic. After Germany's defeat in the First World War, German sailors and soldiers mutinied against Kaiser Wilhelm II, forcing his abdication on November 9, 1918. The next day, a provisional government was cobbled together between members of the Social Democratic Party and the Independent Social Democratic Party of Germany, effectively shifting power away from the German military. A new constitution was drafted in the city of Weimar, giving hope to a war-weary people until stiff reparations outlined in the Treaty of Versailles crippled the German economy when the Weimar government was unable to pay its debt to foreign powers. Printing more currency to shore up a devalued German mark, a period of staggering high inflation crippled the middle class, ironically ushering in the Golden Twenties of Germany, when hyperinflation led Germans into nightclubs and bars, in hopes of spending their daily wages before their money lost value the next day. During the 100-day chancellorship of Gustav Stresemann, that same year, the League of Nations asked U.S. banker Charles Dawes to grapple with Germany's insolvency and hyperinflation, resulting in the Dawes Plan, which set up sliding-scale reparation payments based on a strengthening GDP, which in turn stabilized the Weimar Republic and energized the German economy. After Germany was finally allowed into the League of Nations, Germany's improving relationships with her wartime enemies opened the door for increased international trade. Following the stock market crash of 1929, America's financial disaster and subsequent Great Depression had a ripple effect across global economies, including a second devastating collapse of the newly recovered Weimar Republic, hurling Germany backwards into insolvency, business failures, and high unemployment. Despite Adolf Hitler's failed beer hall putsch of 1923, after the ravages of a second economic turndown since World War I, in 1932, Hitler's far-right Nazi Party appealed to many downtrodden Germans, quickly establishing the Nazis as the largest political party in German parliament. In January of 1933, Hitler was named Chancellor of Germany, which would soon devolve into a dictatorship devoid of parliamentary checks and balances, allowing a solitary man to thrust Europe and eventually America into the dark days of World War II. And there you have it, the Weimar Republic, today on the Daily Dose. If you like learning something new every day, subscribe to the Daily Dose on YouTube or sign up for emails at dailydosenow.com.